Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl IamLilaLuxe, and I'm finally back with another tutorial. I know it's been forever, but I'm back with another slay. Right now I'm rocking my April wig. This is my luxurious deep wave texture. This unit is cut in an Asymmetrical Bob, and of course you know I slayed my face, so if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I did the left side of my face off camera, well really just my left lid off camera, but yeah, let's get right into this look. So I'm gonna jump right into my cut crease with this carbon shade from MAC. This is a black eyeshadow, which I really love. It's very pigmented and buildable. If you know about shadows and pigmented and and pigments and all that stuff, it's really hard to find a really good black pigmented eyeshadow. Next, we're going into the transition shade. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm blending that brown into the black, and then I'm blending the tan into the brown. I definitely want to soft it out. You don't want to just leave that black shade like that. It's literally going to be too harsh, and the whole point when it comes to eyeshadow is blend, blend, blend. Okay, now I'm cutting the crease with my Louise base number 2, and this is one of my favorite base. If you know about Louise, you know they are the holy grail. So yes, baby, I do not play when it comes to Louise. But yeah, I'm just cutting the middle of my eye. I'm not cutting the whole crease because I'm only putting the pop of the color in the middle, so it's unnecessary to drag it all the way around. But yeah, and then once I find where I want to place it, I'm going to pat it out to give it a smooth application. Okay, so now I want to intensify my look. So what I'm doing right now, I'm taking that carbon shade and dabbing it in the inner and outer corner of my lids. Okay, so now I'm using this pretty lilac color from MAC. It's called Parfait Amour. This is a single shadow that I add to their buildable palettes, and this is actually going to be my base before I get to that pretty iridescent shadow that you're going to see next. Okay, now it's time to make that eyeshadow pop. So I'm going in with Smashbox Crystallized Shimmer Drops. And you guys, this is such a pretty product. I believe this came out a year or two ago. I'm not sure, but it was part of the Hood Witch collection. And I'm such a hoarder. This is honestly my first time using it. If you get a chance to get this product, I will recommend. This is a must-have. It's very pretty, very pigmented, very iridescent. It's a really nice pigment to put on top of your eyeshadow. And also, this collection was inspired by the formation of crystals as well. Okay, so I just came to the conclusion that I make the ugliest facial expressions while I'm doing my makeup. Please comment below if you make ugly facial expressions as well, because this is not cute. So now I'm using this pretty plum shimmery color from Juvia's Place. This is from the Masquerade palette. It's called Makeda. And I'm using that to transition between the black and the iridescent highlight in the middle, if that's what you want to call it, or the pop of color. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it the pop of color. But yes, I'm using that, and this is what it looks like. Really cute, really fly, and I already add my eyeliner on both. Next, I'm going in with my Master Conceal from Maybelline. And this is one of my favorite drugstore concealer. This really is another holy grail. And of course, I'm baking with my Xoxo Buttercup in the shade Banana. Now that we're finished baking, we're going to contour with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. So this actually is a foundation, but I use it to contour. And I'm going to put y'all on game. I actually got this from the Clarins section in Ulta, and it was like, I believe $1 or $2. It wasn't more than $3. That's all I know. So, you know, thank me later, and when you get it, comment down below and be like, sis, I'm gonna go pick up my stick and whatnot. Okay, so I sped this clip up. This is literally just me using my beauty blender and blending all that out. Okay, so I started doing this underneath my eyes. So I'll take a lighter foundation and bake underneath my eyes, so when I'm using my pressed powder, everything doesn't blend out. That is in the shade Barcelona from Nars. Next, I'm going in with Maybelline. This is my other pressed powder from Maybelline. And I don't know the actual shade, but I'll put everything that I didn't list will be down below in the description box. And I'm using Clarins eyeliner. I think it's called black, but yeah, it's gonna be down in the description box. But this is a really smooth eyeliner, and I like it because it has kind of like a brush at the end that you can smooth out as well. And for underneath my eyes, I'm using the same shadow that I used to create this look. I'm literally using it backwards going in. Oh, you guys know I'm wrong. Actually, I'm using another color from Juvia's Place. It's a different palette, but I'll put that down below. It's basically a purple, but it's not so dark, if that makes sense. And I'm using this glitter from Eye Candy Glitter. It's a purple glitter. I do not have the name, but again, down below. And yeah, so I'm about to stop talking to you guys. I'm about to just let you guys finish the video out and see how I got this flawless, pretty purple smoky eye. So I just wanted to mention how bomb this lighting is, you guys. When I first started recording, I wasn't planning on recording a video for YouTube. I was literally just finished cooking dinner, practicing brows with my cousin, and I was like, hey, why not? Hint the stain on my shirt, so don't come for me in the comments. I already know it's there. But yeah, I started off with my camera, and my camera died, so I had to go back to my phone, and it was better anyways. But I just thought I'd mention that. Okay, back to the video. Okay, now we about to slay this hair. You guys, I love makeup. I'm gonna always love makeup. I was doing makeup before I started doing hair, but baby, when I tell you my units be hitting, Well, baby, just watch the video. Just watch the video. You're not ready for this slay. You're not ready, honey. So basically, I just put water and conditioner in a spray bottle, and they do have the spray bottles that is like mist. You could get that one from Sally or Amazon, but they're kind of expensive. This one I got from the dollar store a long time ago, and I have a bunch of them sitting around, so I use this one or the one I got from school. And yeah, so I'm using my Demon brush and I'm just brushing it through. And this one you can get from Beauty For You. I got one from school, but I lost it. This one is from Beauty For You. They have it for Sally. Anywhere you go, Amazon, whatever, I'll put it down in the link below. And you want to start at the end, ladies and gentlemen, and work your way up. That's how you're going to comb your units, your wigs, your installs, just like you take care of your real hair and you take your time. You go from the bottom up. You're going to do the same thing when it comes to your luxurious hair, especially if it's coming from me. Okay, so now it's time to readjust my baby hairs. You guys, like I said, I was not planning on recording a tutorial, so disclaimer, please do not do your makeup before you do your hair. You guys, your makeup is going to get all over your lace. It's going to lift up. It's going to feel like you're moving harder, not smarter, and we want to work smarter, not harder, okay? It's 2020. Ain't nobody got time for that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this play itself out. I'm gonna probably speed this clip up, but I'm gonna be going back and forth with my Nairobi phone wrap, and everyone knows you get Nairobi anywhere. Everyone on YouTube basically use Nairobi when it comes to styling baby hairs and other stuff like that. Well, mainly baby hairs. And of course, you know, same thing with the Got To Be spray. Same thing, you could use gel, Got To Be spray, foaming lotion, setting lotion, whatever you want to call it. But if you can see, you guys, right here, right there in that clip, you can see my foundation lifting, you guys. And of course, I'm going to go back and fix that all, but who wants to do all that? That's working harder. Nobody got time for that, like I said. But yeah, so I'm going to stop rapping, and this clip's going to play itself out. Okay, disclaimer, you guys, I did not have a diffuser for this blow dryer. So after running the products through my hair, all I did was put my blow dryer on medium heat and crunch up the ends like I would do if it's sitting in a diffuser. Also, if you are interested in getting a wig from me, this is a pre-made unit. However, I do make custom units and I do specialize in coloring. If you are interested in getting a wig from me, all my information on my social media will be in the description box down below. Okay, and this is the final look, you guys. I love it. It's super cute and flirty. This is one of my favorite units. It's not hard to maintain at all. But if you are feeling this look like I am, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up even if you're not feeling it. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Because, baby, I'm looking final and your girl is back. As always, it's been a pleasure. Bye. Mwah.